Hey, so Amazon's Fire TV Cube finally came out today. And looky what we got. Let's find out how good it is. Hey, I'm Josh with Gross Tech. Welcome to the channel. On here we do smart home technology, and that's unboxing, news, and just trying to make smart home tech simple and easy to use and understand, and so that way you can enjoy it in your own house. Hey, so everybody's been talking about the Amazon Fire TV Cube, which is basically the Fire Stick and the Echo Dot merged into one, and we get a cube. Now you can watch the unboxing of this video over on our Instagram TV show station channel. I'll put the link down there. It'll show you how, what's inside of it basically. But basically what you get is the cube itself, some papers, a remote, 2 batteries, which is always nice, and then you get a little box of accessories. And here's where it gets really cool. So yes, you get your power adapter, you get a IR external blaster, repeater, extender. This thing is amazing because now not only can you control your TV through Alexa, but you control anything in the room that does an IR sensor. Now, not just with this. This is more so if you have, like we do, our Blu-ray player is in the closet. I can put this inside of there and it'll shoot the IR sensor there. But the Amazon Cube itself has 3 sides that are glossy, as you may see. Is it a little like flashy? It's because those are IR sensors that are able to blast out a signal to anything in the room, which is pretty awesome. And then we've all been saying, why don't they just ship a way to plug in Ethernet, because you're going to do 4K over Wi-Fi? Not really a great idea. Ta-da! They included the adapter to be able to hook up Ethernet to your cube and stream those 4K movies in 4K. So let me hook it up real quick and we'll get back to it. Alright, so as you can see, it is all set up. We've got the blue light. Basically, it's updating right now on the TV. I've got the Ethernet installed. Yellow cable, because that's what was going to the back of the TV, and it's a pain when you have a wall-mounted TV to run wires and everything. So it is set up for instruction purposes, I guess. So we're just going to let this install and come back. I guess while it's installing, I'll tell you a little bit about it. So on the back of the cube, you will see a micro USB, which is what you plug in the Ethernet adapter, the IR sensor plug, your HDMI cable plug, and then the power plug. On top, you've got the normal Echo Dot buttons. You've got the volume up, volume down, the mute button, the command or enter button. And then what's very interesting about this is there are 8, count them, 8, 4 on each side, holes. Those are the microphones. Now what's weird about that is on most every Echo Dot device and every Echo device, it's only 7. So it's interesting that this has 8. Maybe because it's supposed to be close to your TV or speakers, that it needs more to be able to pick up your voice over the TV. And really, you need the remote to do the initial setups, but supposedly after that you shouldn't have to use the remote. So we'll find out how well that works. Alexa, turn the TV off.
Okay. By the way, in brief mode, I speak less, and for simple messages I just play a sound instead, like this. Do you want to try brief mode?
Yes.
Alright, I've turned on brief mode, where I talk less. You can always turn it off in the Alexa app, under settings.
Okay. Alexa, turn the TV on. So as you can see, it works pretty well. I mean, I think the biggest thing is since we have a TV with Roku built into it, that makes it a little difficult to use, just because it's another, basically the same idea, trying to run in the background, trying to run this thing. So if you've got a TV with Roku already built into it, you basically can do everything this can, except for the let's mute her, Alexa part of it, which does come in handy. You do have the button to be able to, you know, talk and do Alexa through your remote or through this. It's nice that this works while the TV's off, so you can turn on your lights, you can change the temperature of your thermostat, you can do your blinds. I mean, you can do all your smart home stuff through it. So basically, if you were wanting to get a Fire TV stick or one of the new Fire TVs, a little diamond one, and an Echo Dot, just get this. It's so much easier. It does everything all together. The speaker on the actual cube itself, not that great for Alexa's like voice. Sorry if I'm setting all your guys' echoes off, but it's not very normal for me to say it yet because I'm a Google Home guy. So it's interesting. We're going to get used to it, play with it for about a couple weeks, and then we'll do a new video showing you what we think then. Right now it's just kind of a new toy, and we got to learn how to use it and everything. This thing does get very sophisticated, being able to not just change inputs, but with the IR blaster you're able to, like I said, control all those other devices. So if you have an AV soundbar or you have a AV deck for your sound system, and you can set up schedules to where, well, not schedules, but like you're able to say, hey, her name, turn the TV on, and it will automatically turn all the receivers on, your DVD player. You can set it to where it turns all those things on with one command. So it can be pretty intuitive. It can be pretty amazing. It's nice that it has out of the box the ability to turn your TV on and off and everything else just out of the box, but you can even go deeper into it. So is it great? Is it worth it? I think, like I said, if you want an Echo Dot, if you want to get into the Amazon Alexa sphere and use you got Prime, so you watch a lot of Prime videos, I think it's a great buy. The link is down in the description below. Again, we're going to do a more in-depth one and really get to play with this and test it out and see how well it works. And we'll come back to you guys in a later video. Hey, thanks for watching the video. Again, my name's Josh with Gross Tech. If you like what you saw, go ahead and hit that like button. If you didn't, there's a dislike button there too. But most importantly, down in the comments, tell me, is this something you would want? If you've got, also, news thing, if you've got an old Chromecast or a Fire TV or a Roku streaming box, Amazon is actually taking a, you know, like if you send them your old stuff, they'll give you $35 off, which makes this a whole lot cheaper, which is a whole lot better even than buying an Echo Dot itself. So if you've got one of those and you want to upgrade, definitely look into this. But down in the comments, would you buy one? Is this something that interests you? Do you like the idea of Amazon merging their Fire Stick and their Echo Dots together? Or would you like to see a Google version of the Chromecast and Google Home merged together? I think that this is something that, because Amazon did it, Google's going to do it too. So let's talk down in the comments below. Again, my name is Josh with Gross Tech. Thanks for watching. If you aren't already subscribed, please consider subscribing. God bless you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.